Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 28th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So in a ways, on the pound dollar, we're still kind of in a little bit of a rangy market, but I think what happened here is we potentially have like a five-way pattern down with like a truncated wave five right here for either a wave A or one. I think it might even end up being a wave one. That means that this first push up is likely an A. That means that we probably have a wave B, which may not be over. It may go down, grab these lows. Then I think we're going to get at least one more push up for wave C. This might end up going up to at least a 60 or to 78%, I think, before it potentially ends up going down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So that means we're likely now in an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. And luckily, we trade a wave A and a wave 1 exactly the same. We trade a wave B and a wave 2 exactly the same, which would be looking for longs on sort of time frames. And we trade a wave 3 and a wave C exactly the same until we get about two-thirds through the move where we had to decide whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C, which we can do pretty easily with the help of Fibonacci extension and some basic Elliot wave knowledge. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.